As a driven nursing professional pursuing your Doctor of Nursing practice, you can count on Chamberlain University's commitment to being your unwavering support system. There's a reason why we have the largest DNP program in the U.S., and that's because our program is designed for working nurses like you and equips you with the resources and support to explore new and exciting opportunities in leadership. With a convenient and accessible student portal, Student Resource Center, 24/7 access to counseling services to provide emotional support to students and their families, and so much more, you'll feel prepared as you advance through the program. Our coursework is 100% online, and our student portal is easy to log into and use. You'll also have access to our online Student Resource Center, a wealth of information including a writing center with writing tools, video tutorials, plugins, and articles to help you with writing at a college level in APA style, English as a second language resources with support related to ESL, technology resources, a how-to for all of the different technological tools used at Chamberlain to make sure no matter what level of experience you have with technology, you won't get left behind, and so much more. Our program is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills you'll need as a nurse leader to help transform healthcare. You'll work with your practicum site to address an existing healthcare need and use the knowledge gained from your courses, mentors, and preceptors to identify tangible solutions to a real-time challenge or opportunity. Course learning outcomes from your final project are heavily based on leadership, evidence-based practice, patient safety, identifying solutions to healthcare problems that allow you to transform scholarly research into quality improvements in patient care. With support from an experienced team of leaders comprised of mentors, preceptors, faculty, and nursing executives, you'll feel empowered and confident to assume a role as a pioneer in healthcare innovation. We have a fully digital library that features information sources for the Doctor of Nursing practice program, including access to journal collections, databases, ebooks, and tutorials. The library has also curated a list of resources essential for each program, available from their program guide. If that's not enough, there's a librarian team who can help answer research questions you have via live chat, email, and virtual appointments. At Chamberlain, we pride ourselves on the support that our faculty provide our students. If you have questions about an assignment or course, our DNP program offers Let's Check In meetings, which provide students with an opportunity to ask questions and collaborate with peers. As a busy working professional, our faculty offer flexible support where you can call, text, or email, and faculty will get back to you within 24 hours during the week, allowing you to balance between your professional and personal life. Questions about an assignment? Faculty also hosts a live online writing workshop where students can collaborate and hear from alumni who share experiences through the DNP program and how it's helped propel them in their new careers. We offer a wide array of opportunities to save as you go through the program, including scholarships, grants, and special tuition rates for certain partners and groups. This could be anything from alumni, active military, military-affiliated, or partner rates through your employer. With special tuition rates at over 4,500 partner locations across the U.S., you could be eligible. A Chamberlain team member can help you determine your eligibility. At Chamberlain University, we truly care about your success. Join a community that shares your same passion for advancing the nursing profession and speak with our admission team to learn more and apply today.